In this video, I will show you how you can create a Facebook cover for Facebook with PicsArt, and this is actually very simple. So what you need to do is we open PicsArt, then scroll to the right where it says draw in color, and here we have popular sizes. We're gonna choose Facebook cover, we click on it, and it's the right aspect ratio. We click on here, edit image. And now obviously we can edit whatever we want. For example, we could put in text, right, if we wanted to, and change the color, whatever, however we want to do it, we can do it. We can also change the background, right? For example, I could edit in a shape. Select any shape you want, put it into the background, drag it over the entire thing. And for example, I want it to be blue like Facebook. I could select this color right here. And now this will work. Obviously, I could also put a picture in here. And yeah, that's how we can do it. Then we simply click on export to export the image, and then we can load it into Facebook. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was useful, please consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next video.